Hello students, in last class we learned single inheritance. So today we learn second type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. In this type of inheritance, child class property can use by its child class. So A is a base class, so A class property can be used by class B. So B class property can be used by class C. Another child class is class C. This hierarchy can be go up to any level. So A class property is used by B class and B class property is used by C class. So in the type of multi-level inheritance, C class will indirectly use property of class A. So this type of inheritance we learned by a simple example. Let's start the example. Here I am writing class maths. I write another constructor which has default argument as self. So here I write self dot A equal to 10 and self dot B equal to 20. Here I write another function define add which has default argument self, and here I write print sum is self dot A plus self dot B. Now I am writing another class algebra, which is parent is class maths. Here I write another variable x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and I write another constructor for algebra class. And another function define subtract which has default argument self. So here I write print self dot x minus self dot y. Now I am writing another class which is class C geometry, and its parent is algebra. So here I am writing constructor of geometry class. So A equal to 2 self dot A equal to 2 self dot B equal to 3 self dot x equal to 4 self dot y equal to 6. So here I am writing another function def display print self dot A plus self dot B plus self dot x plus self dot y. Display function, and here I write subtract function. So after creating all classes, I define class object G So first I call g dot add, then I call g dot subtract, then I call g dot display. So first I save the program. Now I am going to run. So output is there. So first of all we learn the program, then we will understand. Here I call geometry class object G. So it is a basic rule, whenever we create class object, its constructor will be called. So geometry constructor will be called. So in geometry class constructor, self dot a equal to 2, b equal to 3, x equal to 4, y equal to 6. As we know, whatever variable we want to use, it must be declared first, but variable a, b, x and y are not declared in geometry class, but these variables are declared in their respective parent class, so we can easily use these variables in its child class. So it is a basic called multi-level inheritance. When I am going to call g dot add, so geometry class does not have add function, so its parent class is algebra. Algebra class does not have add function. Its parent class is maths. Maths class has add function which has self dot a plus self dot b. So output will be 2 plus 3. So first output is 5. Then I call g dot subtract. G dot subtract, at that time geometry class does not have subtract function, but its parent class algebra has subtract function, so it can easily use, which has self dot x minus self dot y, which is equals to 4 minus 6, which is equals to 4. There is something wrong. Then we call g dot display. So here 2 plus 3. So here I call self dot a plus self dot b plus self dot x and function will be invoked. So this is multi-level inheritance. Second type of inheritance, third type of inheritance is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, in this type of inheritance, single child class use property of two parent class, but parent class do not have any relationship. So here class A and class B, they are two parent class and they do not have any relationship, but class C can use property of parent class A and parent class B, but A and B do not have relation any type of. So we will understand by this example. So it is our first class, class maths, and second class, class algebra, which is not related by maths. So there are two classes, class maths and class algebra, and they do not have any relationship between. So class geometry has relation with maths, comma algebra. Here we can add multiple class by adding comma. So class geometry can use property of maths and can use property of algebra, but maths and algebra have not any type of relation. So when we call geometry object, so object will be called, constructor will be called, and these respective function will be called. So I run the program. Here is the output: sum, subtract and display. So class A and class B, there are multiple parent class and only single class child class C which can use property of class A and class B. So this is called multiple inheritance. Thank you for watching.